Ready to elevate your gaming setup? Hi, Ray from HIDEit Mounts here, and today I have our PS5 Slim mount. It's the ultimate solution for displaying your console while freeing up space. This mount might look familiar. We use the same patented design as our extremely popular original and patented PS5 mount. The base has custom cutouts that don't obstruct vents, allowing max airflow, and the hook holds the console for extra stability. We use 12-gauge steel to provide the strength and durability you can trust from a HIDEit mount. And rest assured, your console is safe and properly supported, unlike plastic mounts that can sag and even break over time. Not only that, it has a powder-coated finish to resist rust and prevent scratches. Quick to install in just a few easy steps, this minimalist and versatile mount allows you to mount it just about anywhere. Hide it behind the TV or display it, and keep the focus on the console, not the mount. So create a sleek and organized gaming space you'll love with the HIDEit PS5 Slim mount.